Hello, my name is Muhammad Jilani. I am from CSC B section. My topic is two-phase servo motor. Two-phase servo motor for a low power, a few hundred watt control application. A two-phase balanced servo motor is a delay steady at as it can be. Drive by means of relative hugged drive free AC amplifier. The motor torque can be easily controlled by varying the magnitude of the AC voltage applied to the control phase of the motor as shown in figure 10.28, while the second phase called the reference phase M is excited at the fixed AC voltage. Both voltages must be drawn from the same source. The control phase voltage is shifted in the phase by 90 from the reference phase voltage by means of phase shifted network included in the reference voltage by the means phase shifting networks included in the voltage amplification state of the amplifier. The motor torque get reversed by phase reversal of the control phase voltage. The servo motor, the AC diagrams are like this. Control controlled AC servo motor, and this is the AC error signal, and this is the AC amplifier, and this is the fixed AC voltage as Vm. For the linear stable operation, the torque speed characteristic of a servo motor must be linear with negative slope. Torque reduces with increasing speed. The torque speed characteristic of a normally designed induction motor is highly nonlinear and characteristic is unstable for normal loads in the region from zero speed to speed at breakdown. Torque. This indeed the useful region of operation of a two-phase servo motor employed is position control system. The designer linear characteristic is obtained in a servo motor by designing a rotator with high resistance so that the maximum torque occurs at the slip of 0.5 minus 0.5 or so. The high resistance also imparts another important describable features to the servo motor. It does not develop a single phasing torque which would disturb the control characteristic of motor. The torque speed characteristic of a two-phase servo motor for a varies per unit values of phase a voltage are drawn in figure 10.29. In the reference phase voltage is Vm at the angle 0 degrees. The control phase voltage is VA is equal to AVM at the angle 90 degrees. A is equal to a variable. This is the graph diagram at the minus 0.5 to 0.4 or 1.0 at the x-axis, and the this is the torque speed characteristic of servo motor. Variable phase difference is equal to 90 degrees at the fixed angle. The formula of torque speed is Vmf is equals to Vm by 2 into 1 plus A. Vm by B is equal to Vm by 2 into 1A. Thus the motor is exiting with a special kind of voltage, unbalanced angular phase. Difference of 90 degree is maintained while the magnitude of phase voltage varies. The corresponding torque speed characteristic at the figure 10.29 are nearly linear with respective motors speed and voltage of the phase. This is the diagram of sheet mat construction diagram of drag cup rotor servo motor. This is the drag cup servo motor, and this is the starter. This is the shaft, and this is the stationary rotor core. AC servo motor offers several advantages over its DC counterparts. The use of drift-free AC amplifier in control circuitry, low rotor, internal faster response, ragged maintains free rotor construction, no brushes containing commutator segments. The rotor can be withstand higher temperatures as it does not involve any insulation. Thank you.